We can assign multiple variables with values using a single statement. For example, if I have to assign, let's say, four variables x, y, z, and p with the values 10, 12, 14, and 16 respectively, I can write a single line of statement as you can see on your screen. What will happen is a corresponding assignment operation will take place. So which is the first variable that has been written on the left hand side of the assignment operator? So as you can see, you have the assignment operator separating the variables and the values. So the first variable on the left hand side of the assignment operator is x, and the first value on the right hand side of the assignment operator is 10. So 10 is assigned to x. The second variable is y. The second value is 12. So 12 goes to y. The third value is 14, and the third variable is z. So 14 goes to z. And the fourth value is 16, and the fourth variable is p. So 16 goes to p. So in this way, we can have as many variables as we want, and we can assign them with values by separating the values with commas on the right hand side of the assignment operator. A corresponding assignment from one value, from one value on the right hand side of the assignment operator to the corresponding variable on the left hand side of the assignment operator will take place. Now, if we execute this, we can see that the execution is successful. Now, let's verify our claim by printing the values. So let's say I print the values of x, y, z, and p to verify what I just said. So let me just copy this line. So I need four print statements, one for each variable. I print the value of y, I print the value of z, and I print the value of p. Let's see if we get the expected output, and we do. If you observe, 10, like I mentioned, was assigned to x, 12 was assigned to y, and so on. And that is exactly the case. X has received a value of 10, y has received a value 12, and so on. So in this way, we can assign values to multiple variables using a single line Python statement. Now this advantage, I mean, this feature rather, we can take advantage of this feature to swap the values of two variables using a single statement. I'll show you how. Let's say I want to swap the values of x and y. So I want x to get the value of y, that is 12, and I want y to get the value of x, that is 10. How do I do that? Using a single statement. To achieve this using a single statement, what we can do is we can write the variables separated by comma on the left hand side of the assignment operator, and on the right hand side we can list out the variables in the order in which we want values to be assigned to them. So I want x, my first variable, x, to be given the value of y. So I'll write y here. I want my second variable y to get the value of x. So I'll write x as my second variable. Now if I execute this, it not only executes successfully, the values of x and y have been swapped as well. Let's verify this. So if I print the value of x and y, you can see that x currently has a value of 12, whereas y has a value of 10. Previously, the value of x was 10 and the value of y was 12. So the values of x and y have been swapped. So we can take advantage of having multiple assignment statements to swap two variables using a single line of code. So this advantage is offered by Python due to the availability of multiple assignments. If you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.